To link your Amazon Prime Visa to Grubhub, start by opening the Grubhub app on your device and signing into your account. If you do not have an account, create one by following the prompts. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Payment Options section, usually found in the Settings or Profile area. Look for the option to add a new payment method and select it. You will be presented with various payment options, including credit and debit cards. Choose the option to add a credit card. Enter your Amazon Prime Visa card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Make sure to enter the information accurately to avoid any issues. After entering your card details, you may be prompted to verify your card through a small temporary charge. This is a standard security measure to ensure the card is valid and belongs to you. The charge will be refunded immediately. Once your card is verified, it will be added to your Grubhub account as a payment method. You can then select it as your default payment option or use it for a specific order. To earn rewards and benefits, ensure your Amazon Prime Visa is linked to your Amazon account and that you are an active Amazon Prime member. This will allow you to earn points or cashback on your Grubhub orders. Depending on the terms of your card, best practices include regularly checking your account for any updates or changes to the payment options and ensuring your card details are up to date. This will help prevent any issues with your orders and ensure a seamless experience. By following these steps, you can easily link your Amazon Prime Visa to Grubhub and start earning rewards on your food orders. Remember to always review the terms and conditions of your card and Grubhub account to understand the benefits and any limitations.